Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another monthly plan with me. I do one of these the beginning of every month, and I usually either do like a plan and organize if I have to organize something, but today I need to tidy my home because it is Sunday and that is what I do on Sundays. I go around and kind of tidy everything and get us all set up for the week. But now on Monday, it is February 1st. I can't believe it, and we have a lot of appointments and a lot going on in February, so I need to plan it all out. I take down this calendar right here and update all of that. And then I need to pull up my list here. And I also plan everything out in my planner as well. And I need to just do a quick dusting, vacuuming. I'm going to mop, and I have some laundry to fold, and I'm sure I will find some other things to do as well. So make sure you guys are subscribed and let's get started.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
So I am just wiping off the January calendar and filling in all of February, and I just look at my phone to make sure I don't miss any dates or anything like that that I already have scheduled in my phone. And if you look behind me, after I hang up the calendar, I spelled vacation wrong. I was in the middle of like listening to the kids and answering their questions, and I forgot the A in vacation, but I fixed it now and it is spelled correctly.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
So now that all of the planning portion of the video is done, I'm just straightening up the living room, and I am going to give everything a quick vacuum and a quick dust. I got a new Swiffer duster, like the extender duster, and I'm using that to get above the curtains and all of that, and I'm also going to use it to clean the light fixture that is above my stairs. So that needs to get done as well. So after that, then I will mop.
Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
So now I'm just going to give everything, all of the tile floors, a quick mop, and I did get this new, I think it's Cedar, the spin mop, and I've seen a million people have this mop and they love it, and I can see why. I am obsessed with it, and I'm such a nerd, and I now like love to mop my floors because I feel like the little spin stepping thing makes it kind of fun. But I still do love my steam cleaner, and I like to use that as well. So I do the floors usually once or twice a week. So now I will do once with the mop and bucket, and I just put some really hot water from my sink and some of my thieves cleaner in there, and it worked really well, and my house smells amazing.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
So now I'm just going to fold this big load of laundry, and I'm also catching up on Real Housewives of Atlanta, because I'm sure if you guys have watched my videos, you noticed that I always have Bravo and usually Housewives, because I love every franchise. They are my favorite, like, guilty pleasure, mindless thing to have on when I am doing housework. So you will see that on the background while I am getting all of this laundry taken care of.
What do you got? So take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me.
that is it for this video. I got everything cleaned. We have dusted, vacuumed, mopped the floors, did the laundry. The kids are going to put theirs away shortly. I put it on both of their beds. They're both required to put their own clothes away. So they are 5 and 7, and there's no reason why they can't put their own laundry away. They've actually been doing it for probably just about a year, maybe. So usually they come and get it, but they're each having their hour of screen time for the day, so I let them just do that uninterrupted. So now I am going to work on their chore charts. And this is a new thing we're implementing tomorrow, and it's a whole list of things that they have to do each week, and they're going to earn an allowance, and they've got to pay like family tax. They have to put 50% of their money, their allowance, into a savings account, and there's a whole system that goes with it. So I will have that in a future video kind of explaining everything, so look out for that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!